नमस्कार. महाराष्ट्र मंडळ लंडन ऑनलाईन मध्ये आपला स्वागत. अ, माझं नाव तेजेश घाग, व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र मंडळ लंडन, which is one of the oldest Marathi charity organization outside India. We are always proud to say that late Mr. N.C. Kelkar and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, along with many other dignitaries, founded Maharashtra Mandal London in the year 1932. Yes, you're right. You heard right. It's 1932. It's been many years now. Nearly, we're approaching 90 years of formation. आणि हा आपला 30वा वर्ष गणेशोत्सवचा आहे. आपली मोठी वास्तू आहे, चर्च एवढी बिल्डिंग आहे, इमारत आहे. खूप मोठमोठे आपण इव्हेंट्स करतो, बरेच चीफ मिनिस्टर्स, बरेचसे आपले ॲक्टर्स, कलाकार, सगळे नाटक पिटक, म्हणजे भरपूर काय काय आपण फिल्म प्रिव्ह्यूज, प्रीमियर्स सगळं इकडे करतो. पण ह्या वर्षी ड्यू टू पॅन्डेमिक वी हॅव टू स्टेप बॅक. आपले पप्पा बोलले, बाबा रे, यावर्षी माझ्या भाविकांना घरात सुरक्षित ठेवा आणि ऑनलाईन दर्शनची सोय करा. पण बाप्पाचा आदेश आणि तुमचा आशीर्वाद, महाराष्ट्र मंडळ लंडननी पहिल्यांदा ह्या 30 वर्षामध्ये पहिल्यांदा ही मोठी धाडस घेतली आणि ऑनलाईन आपण केलं आणि आपल्या बाप्पाला आपण वेलकम केलं आणि निरोपही दिला. दरवर्षी आपला बाप्पा 11 दिवसाचा असतो, 11 दिवसासाठी येतो. पण ह्या वर्षी वी टूक अ डिसिजन दॅट वी विल हॅव 1.5 डे. आपल्या सॅटर्डेला येऊन संडेला आपण विसर्जन केलेलं आहे. सगळे पूजा, आरती, अथर्वशीर्ष आपण लाईव्ह केलं होतं. सगळ्यांना लाईव्ह दर्शन अवेलेबल होतं. पण दोज हू हॅव मिस्ड, डोंट गेट डिसअपॉइंटेड. सगळं आपलं यूट्यूबवरती रेकॉर्डेड आहे, फेसबुकवरती शेअर्ड आहे. सो प्लीज सबस्क्राईब यूट्यूब चॅनल. महाराष्ट्र मंडळ लंडन यूट्यूब चॅनल आहे, त्याची लिंक मी तुम्हाला पाठवेनच याच्यानंतर. बट type YouTube on the YouTube Maharashtra Mandal London YouTube channel. Just subscribe, you'll get all the puja and aarti and visarjan चा सगळा सोहळा कोणी मिस नाही केलास ना. Yeah, so before I will not take much of your time. Let's move on to the event. But before I move, I want to say that Apla Maharashtra Mandal non-profit organizations is hardly depend on the membership. प्लीज जॉईन अस. आपली फॅमिली मोठी करू, एक्सटेंड करू. एवढी प्राऊड ऑर्गनायझेशन, ओल्डेस्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन आउटसाइड इंडिया. वी हॅव टू कीप इंटॅक्ट, वी हॅव टू कीप इट फ्लोईंग, मूविंग अहेड. प्लीज जॉईन ॲज अ मेंबर. दुसरा आहे डोनेशन. थोडेफार डोनेशन जे मिळतात त्याने आपलं इव्हेंट्स करतो आपण. आणि ऑफकोर्स अवर प्राऊड स्पॉन्सर्स. So one of our proud sponsor is SBI. They want to advertise. So let me start a video for them, please. Thank you.
I thought you wanted to go to the bank.
What for?
You had some money transfers to make to India and you wanted to check the balance of your SBI India account.
So we did them from home.
Through your mobile.
So the Yono SBI UK app.
SBI UK presents the Yono app, ensuring your bank is always in your pocket. Remit to India available 24/7. Better exchange rates on rupee remittances. And you can see your account with SBI in India through Yono, a versatile mobile banking app from SBI UK.
Thank you. So this was our SBI. Please use the SBI app, is really good. Along with SBI, आपल्याकडे अजूनही छान we have proud sponsors like FutureBricks, Blanca Venture, Mortgage Matchmakers and Wild Voyager. तुम्हाला त्यांच्याबद्दल बरेचसे डिटेल्स आपल्या वेबसाईटवरती मिळतील. तुम्हाला काही डाऊट्स असतील, काही कॉन्टॅक्ट डिटेल्स पाहिजे असेल, प्लीज ड्रॉप अस अन ईमेल, प्रेसिडेंट किंवा व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट @mmlondon.co.uk. आणि नम्र विनंती, जर तुम्हाला सगळं आपलं कार्यकर्त्यांचं प्रतिसाद आणि सगळ्यांचा मेहनत आणि हे सगळं आवडलं असेल तर प्लीज तुमच्याकडनं थोडेसे जे काय होईल डोनेट करा. The link is here. mmlondon.co.uk/donation. It's your wish. So let's move to the program. ATSA, as I said, is a really interesting art program. So the program is the Mosaic Art. Mosaic Art, it is Mrs. Prerna Fadnis, who is a MML trustee as well, will be giving us a kind of a training session how to do mosaic art आणि गणपती बाप्पा कसा बनवू शकतो आपण मोझॅक आर्टने. So let me give a little bit about Prerna. So introduction. So Prerna is married to Sunil Fadnis and she is a daughter of a late Mr. D.R. Pendse, Chief Economic Advisor to the Tata Group, and Mrs. Jyotsna Pendse of Vamanhari Pete Jewelers family in Mumbai. So Prerna has been a business advisor, mentor and a coach to SMEs. She has been also nominated as a best business advisor. She has worked for Business Link, UKTI and British Chamber of Commerce to develop business in India for British companies. So in 2017, Prerna pursued her passion or interest in public art, photography and travel. She has been exploring how mosaic can be used as an art form to convey concepts and stories. She is working on a book which conveys motivational messages through the use of photography and mosaic, and is currently a trustee of London School of Mosaic. So without further delays, let me hand over to Mrs. Prerna Fadnis on for mosaic art. Thank you.
हॅलो, नमस्कार. गणेश उत्सवाच्या निमित्त सर्वांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आय एम प्रेरणा फडणीस. आय एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ट्रस्टीज ॲट महाराष्ट्र मंडळ. ह्यावर्षी आपण एकत्र बसून वर्कशॉप्स वगैरे गणपतीनिमित्त करू शकत नाही. सो शामल सजेस्टेड दॅट आय डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट हाऊ टू मेक अ स्मॉल गणपती इन मोझेक ॲट होम. I've been making mosaics for the last 2 or 3 years. I've found great joy in this creative art form, which is fun, rewarding, as well as therapeutic. So I'll demonstrate through a short video series the tools, the techniques for making a simple mosaic. I've never made a tutorial video, so hey, bear with me. First time for everything. I'll show you some of my work just to give you an idea of how you can use a variety of materials, not just styles, but variety of materials, often found objects, recycled materials, and now I realize how even something broken can be so beautiful, meaningful, as well as personal. हे एक बॅलरीनाचं मोझेक आहे. ह्याच्यात तो वरून तिचा व्ह्यू घेतलेला आहे, पण त्याला एक एशियन थोडासा ट्विस्ट दिलेला आहे. कारण बॅलरीनाचे युजली झगा अगदी पांढरा असतो, पण मला हे राजस्थानी डान्सर्स वगैरे यांचे झगे अतिशय आवडतात. त्याच्या इन्स्पिरेशनला घेऊन हे मोझेक केलेलं आहे. ह्याच्यात इटालियन स्माल्टी म्हणून काचेचं मटेरियल मिळतं, त्याचं हे केलेलं आहे. हे दिस इज क्वाईट अ स्पेशलिस्ट स्किल. आणि ते कॉन्क्रीटमध्ये फ्रेममध्ये ते घातलेलं आहे. हे मोझेक फ्रिडा कालो जी आर्टिस्ट मेक्सिकन फेमस आहे, तिच्या पर्सनॅलिटीवर हे मोझेक आहे. हे तिचं इंटरप्रिटेशन आहे. तिला जंगल आणि जंगलातल्या वस्तू अतिशय आवडत होत्या. त्या धर्तीवर हे केलेलं मोझेक आहे. ह्याच्यात तिच्या चेहऱ्यावर मेनली सिरॅमिक आणि ग्लास वापरलेला आहे. तिच्या केसातली फुलं वगैरे फुटलेल्या कब्बशांची केलेली आहेत आणि अशी वेगवेगळी स्टेन ग्लासची काही फुलं आणि पानं केलेली आहेत. अशी वेगवेगळी मटेरियल्स वापरून हे मोझेक केलेलं आहे. तर ही 2 मोझेक्स पाण्यावर आधारित आहेत. वरचं जे आहे ते मुंबईला वरळीला जी सी लिंक आहे त्यातल्या पुलाचा खालचा भाग त्याचा मी एक फोटो काढलेला होता. ते आय हॅव मेड दॅट इन्स्पायर्ड बाय दॅट ब्रिज. आणि खाली एक सीस्केप आहे त्याच्यावरती सिरॅमिक काचेचे पीसेस आणि समुद्रावर मिळालेल्या पेबल्स वापरून हे मोझेक केलेलं आहे. नंतर हे एक मॉडर्न आर्टचा पीस आहे. ह्याच्यात सुद्धा वेगवेगळे मटेरियल्स वापरलेली आहेत. ह्याच्यात ग्लास, ब्रोकन चायना, मोडलेल्या बांगड्या आणि इव्हन भाताची शीतं म्हणजे ड्राय राईस, ड्राय कमार्ग राईस काळा हाही ह्याच्यात वापरलेला आहे. हे काली मातेचं एक मोझेक केलेलं आहे. लॉकडाऊनमध्ये नुकतंच कलकत्त्याला आम्ही जाऊन आलो होतो त्याच्यावरून हे इन्स्पिरेशन करून केलेलं आहे. हे एक दुसरं बागेतच केलेलं मोझेक आहे. ह्याच्यात सुद्धा फुटलेल्या टाईल्स आणि इव्हन शेल्स वापरलेले आहेत. इथे तुम्ही पाहाल तर एक असा स्नेल केलेला आहे. त्याला फुटलेल्या जुन्या उरलेल्या टाईल्स वापरल्या आहेत आणि त्याच्या चेहऱ्याला वगैरे सीशेल्स वापरलेले आहेत. So, this is a salad bowl, just an ordinary bowl from IKEA. We used to have it for many years and then it got broken and it was thrown in the bin by my husband. But I rescued it and then I covered it in mosaic. Surprise, surprise. So this has mainly stained glass pieces remaining from other projects, and the grout has some glitter in it. So against the light, when it catches the light, it glows and it's fun. This one is a mosaic of a lady I photographed while traveling in Rajasthan, and it's using glass and ceramic on a wooden base. These are exactly the materials that we are going to use to make our Ganesh. Okay, so firstly we'll look at some basic materials that are required to create a simple mosaic. I'll show you how to use your design and transfer it onto a substrate. A substrate is a tile or a piece of wood onto which you want to make your mosaic. How to lay the glass and your tiles onto the substrate. How to grout your work and finish your work. And at the end, I will also give you information on where you can buy materials and reference books. So here on the table you see a variety of materials, basic things that you need to make a mosaic. First things first, it's good to have a nice little sketchbook and coloring pencils to draw your designs. Then most important are the tile cutters. These are called wheeled nippers. They are mainly used to cut glass tiles and pieces of glass. However, you can also use them for ceramic. These are specifically used for cutting ceramic tiles. Then of course, safety glasses. I wear glasses already, so I sometimes don't wear them, but it's best to wear them. Gloves, especially when you're grouting, you don't need them before that. PVA glue. This is, you can get better quality glue at builders merchants. And what I do is transfer it into a small pot for use, which is really handy. And use a simple small brush, like a painting brush, to apply the glue. We'll see that subsequently. Right, then you need your design. So this time today we are going to attempt to make a very simple figure of Ganpati. I'm going to, when I said substrate, this is what I'm going to use. It's a piece of ply, like a square tile, and I quite like this substrate because you can put a hanging mechanism when your work is ready. You can put a hanging mechanism at the back, and then it gives you choice of laying it flat or hanging it somewhere. And of course, the most important thing are the beautiful pieces of glass and ceramic. In the world of mosaic, these are called tesserae. It's really nice to call them tesserae than broken glass. So there's mainly 2 or 3 types here. So these ones are matte. You can usually get them on a sheet, even from Amazon, but I'll give you details later. So these are matte finish, and they give quite a nice contrast to using glass tiles. So I have a few glass tiles here. And different colors. I just use basically old pots, etc., and reuse them to keep my tiles, to keep them separate, to keep separate colors. And I think we'll probably use a bit of gold tile just to make our work a bit festive. Now in here, as you can see, in a yogurt container, I just use all these things. There's two colors of grout. There's white and there is grey. And grey grout usually helps to unite your design and make it quite look sophisticated. White grout is good, it brightens your design, but then you have to be quite an expert at laying the tiles so they don't distract from the main design. And the old brush is quite handy, to remove excess grout from your finished piece. So then we are ready to go. So I'm just using a bit of carbon paper to transfer the design onto my substrate. But you artists can just do a freehand design of what you want. So here the design has been now transferred onto the substrate. Okay, so as you can see, now that the design has been transferred onto the substrate, what I've done is I've divided the design up into sort of smaller segments, which will lend itself to be made into, so I can cut tiles almost to that size and place them there. Yes, can you see? And I've also chosen a color scheme. So I'm mainly using glass tiles for the main Ganpati, using oranges and yellows with hints of red. And the background, I think I'm going to do in ceramic to give it a little bit of contrast. So I'll show you now how to cut the tiles. For example, this is a glass tile. So we are going to use the tile nipper to cut the tiles. So mostly squares and trapeze shapes come very useful when making mosaics. So I'm going to try and cut this into 4 smaller squares. So you hold your nippers at the end to give you more leverage, perpendicular to the tile, and hold it in the middle. It doesn't require a lot of pressure, and there. So that's into 2 pieces, and then you further cut them into 2 more. The same technique perpendicular to the tile, away from the, to give leverage, and just one snip and then it's cut. So it's made quite a clean cut. It requires a little bit of practice, but it's easy. Can you see? So now I have 4 smaller tiles. For example, if you see, I remove these away. In this little piece here, these will go really well. So instead of putting one square tile, I'm going to put 4 of these. That just makes the mosaic a bit more interesting, because in between you will see when we grout, you will get grout lines which will unify the design. If you examine the tile from both the sides, one side has a rough side and one side is smooth. So the rough side goes down to give it a bit of grip with the glue. So now we are going to stick these tiles on. I have some PVA glue already mixed in this pot. So I'm going to use a little brush and I'm going to apply either to the substrate or to the tile, or both. Usually the glue is really good and the tiles stick quite easily. And this is good quality PVA external grade glue that I'm using. So sometimes if you have to pick small tiles, it's nice to have some tweezers. So there we go. So we've stuck some of our tesserae down. Now I have to repeat this throughout the design. As you see, I've made it, divided it into simpler shapes. So the tiles can be cut like that and the design stuck on. Okay? Okay, so here we have our Ganesh all finished with tiles stuck in place, ready for grouting. So you can see, you know, I think Ganesh is not complete without a red flower. So I have added a little detail there, just something, a broken plate that was lying around. And these little things make your work personal. As you can see, you know, I've used a blue background because I just think blue gold is quite festive, and lighter tiles on the outside and slightly darker tiles to the inside, so it looks like a frame. And just pleasing and adds interest than having exactly the same shade of tiles going through. So now I'm going to show you how to grout your mosaic. First, let me show you the things I have around me. I just have this grout, grey grout I've chosen from Top Tiles, but you know, it's available from specialist mosaic shops and other builders merchants. I'll need a sponge and we'll need some water, and so let's begin. So as you can see, the Ganesh image is now ready for grouting. So after applying the PVA glue, it's good to leave it for a few hours to dry. Now we need to mix the grout. So in this cup I have some grout, grey grout, which I showed you earlier. The Ganpati, as you can see, is 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Now to this grout we will slowly add some water. And you can adjust the consistency by adding a little bit more grout. Show you. As you can see, this is it's like a dropping consistency. Some people make it thinner than this, which is okay as well, but for a small piece I prefer this kind of consistency. Now you might think, what is she doing? It's you just have to apply it everywhere, so it goes right into all the crevices. And there are spreading tools like this one. You can pretty much even use your hands, so you don't require a lot of grout for this size. I think the DIYers amongst you and the creatives, this is a bit like tiling. Oops, one piece has come off, but don't worry. We can put that back on. Okay, so I've left it for about 5 minutes. So this is how it looks at the moment. Now we need to remove all the excess grout from the top. So here I have a bowl of water and a sponge. So take the sponge in. Squeeze. And slowly you will see your design surfacing again. So just go strokes like this from all sides of the sponge. Dip again and squeeze. One more go. At this stage, I like to keep a little soft cloth ready. Any excess grout can also be removed with a brush, but you don't need it on this one. So there it is. All done. All we need to do is, come back to it because soft grout dust will settle on the top, and just clean it nicely with a dry, soft cloth. I'll show it to you later when that is done. Okay, now I'm going to show you where a book which I find quite interesting for new users. So it's Mosaic Techniques and Tips by Bonnie Fitzgerald. It's quite a nice book for people who are interested and want to take this art a bit further. So that, and then for materials, there's Mosaic Supplies, and also a few other places. Like Hobby Island Mosaics, Mosaic Workshop, and the London School of Mosaic for short mosaic courses, if you want to take this art further. Okay, Hope you've enjoyed following this little workshop and it has created interest for you. To make mosaics, which I really love, and I'm sure you too will enjoy. So this kind of size project is usually a nice weekend project to do. And yes, so that's it. And hope you enjoy making mosaics and then share it with me sometime. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So here is the finished piece, taking pride of place in my home Devara.
नमस्कार. होपफुली तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना मोझॅक आर्ट आवडलं असेल. थँक्यू मिसेस प्रेरणा फडणीस फॉर युअर व्हॅल्युबल टाईम अँड instructions. So it's really good. Even I wasn't aware before. I will definitely try with my kids. It's a nice weekend activity. Before we all go, I just want to give you a like a brush up of next upcoming events. You can see on my left. So tomorrow, Thursday 27th August, we have a cooking show, same 7 p.m. So it's a recipe of puranpoli, modak, barfi आणि सात्विक फूड. मग आपण फ्रायडे 20th ऑगस्टला 7 p.m. अंताक्षरी लाईव्ह करणार आहोत. 29th ऑगस्ट सॅटर्डे बाल दरबार. छान आपले बाल कलाकार रेडी आहेत आपल्या पुढे विविध कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करण्यासाठी. इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स आहेत, सिंगिंग आहे, डान्स आहे, श्लोक्स आहेत. सो प्लीज कम. सो 3 वाजता सॅटर्डेला 3 वाजता योगा टेक्नॉलॉजी बाय सीमा भाकरे. शी इज अ रियली ॲट 70+ ओल्ड लेडी, बट ट्रस्ट मी, if you look at her you will not feel like at her age. And she's expert. She's a certified yoga teacher. So please join. 7 p.m. is our grand cultural evening. Again, we try to showcase different local talent. Aple various mandals are coming. I think Harrow mandal is there. We have from Milton Keynes. We have from Aylesbury. So different mandals are approaching. Even from India, we have few performances. 30th August Sunday is Bal Ganesh question answer at 11 a.m. हा आगळा वेगळा थोडासा आहे कार्यक्रम. खूप छान, इनोसंट, सिन्सिअर आहे. लहान मुलंच प्रश्न विचारणार आहेत, लहान मुलंच उत्तरं देणार आहेत. प्लीज जॉईन टू ब्लेस दॅम. इट्स ऑन यूट्यूब. ओके. सो 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. इज अ भजन बाय नारायण अँड नीता. ब्युटिफुल, भरपूर छान छान भजन ते लोक घेणार आहेत. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. इज मराठी भावगीते बाय डॉक्टर अस्मिता दीक्षित. डॉक्टर अस्मिता दीक्षितने सुरुवात छान कार्यक्रमाने केलेली आणि बरेच 10,000च्या वरती व्ह्यूज गेलेले आहेत. सो डोंट मिस दिस मराठी भावगीते बाय अस्मिता दीक्षित. 31st ऑगस्ट मंडेला 7 वाजता संध्याकाळी संस्कृतायम आणि अक्षर गणेश बाय भारतीय भाषा संघ. डोंट मिस. अगेन आपण थोडं संस्कृतवरती बोलू, गणपतीच्या रिलेटेड आणि अक्षर गणेश. आणि लास्ट डे विच इज 1st September ट्यूजडे इज ॲट 7 p.m. इज अ बॉलिवूड एंटरटेनमेंट बाय नीता, नारायण अँड नीता. हे आपला कार्यक्रमचा टाइमटेबल आहे. हा सगळा टाइमटेबल अवेलेबल आहे ऑन वेबसाईट, फेसबुक. अँड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू जॉईन अँड लाईक, जॉईन अवर फेसबुक प्रायव्हेट ग्रुप अँड लाईक अ फेसबुक पेज. आणि आपला यूट्यूब चॅनल पण आहे, महाराष्ट्र मंडळ लंडन. प्लीज सबस्क्राईब. आपली सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन इथे खाली लिहिलेलीच आहे. अँड डोंट फॉरगेट, इफ यू विश टू डोनेट, प्लीज डोनेट, बिकॉज आपलं मंडळ, ॲज आय सेड, इज ऑल ऑन मेंबरशिप, डोनेशन अँड स्पॉन्सरशिप, अँड ऑफकोर्स ऑल युअर ब्लेसिंग्स अँड एंटरटेनमेंट. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ती मोरया. थँक्यू.